Hey guys, in this video I got this iPhone XR over here. Yes, obviously broken screen, and the back glass is pretty messed up. The frame is also in really bad condition. So in this video I bought a used housing and a used screen for it. Let's take a look at the screen. The seller did advertise it as a used original screen. There is quite a lot of scratches on it, not gonna lie, but it looks original so far, so hopefully it's true. Came with free waterproof seal as well, so that's nice. And I bought used housing for it. Yeah, it's in pretty meh condition. There's some dents on it. Back glass is pretty scratched as well, but it is intact, so yeah, not bad I guess. So let's see if I can restore this iPhone without breaking it. So alright, so first I'm actually gonna take the battery of this housing out, because well, I do want to keep this phone as original as possible. Well, for the inside anyway. It is on 79% battery health, which is not bad at all. So yeah, let's remove it. Let's take this adhesive as well. And the pull tabs, will they work? Oh no, it's already breaking. And it broke off. Wow. What about other one? Oh no, it's gonna break off. Yeah, they both broke off. So I got to do it the hard way. Oh wait, there's actually one more pull tab here. Oh my god, it already broke off. Yeah, the adhesive is really weak for some reason. Yeah, there's no salvaging that, so we're gonna do it the hard way. Look at adhesive, it's pretty degraded, not gonna lie. And oh damn, I snapped the wireless charging cord. Great. So yeah, needs a new one now. Great. But that's fun. But anyway, let's clean the housing out. And hopefully I can extract the old one. Alright, got it cleaned out. Well, I accidentally messed up the paint of the Tata engine for a little bit, but it looks ready for a new battery now. Hopefully I can remove the old wireless charging coil so I can replace the broken one. But yeah, let's take the phone apart. Alright, so the seller did actually include pretty decent tools. Hopefully they work well. I just need the pentalock screwdriver. Wait, where is it? Oh, there we go. So let's shut this one off. Oh, wait. Right there. Let's take out two bottom screws. Oh wow, they are already stripping. Right there. Oh wow, this actually works so much better. Alright. The adhesive on it is actually pretty weak, so let's see if this big suction cup lifts it. Oh yeah, it's already lifting up. Look at that. Oh, there we go. Now it should hopefully lift out easily. There we go. God damn, this phone is nasty. Now for the other side. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, got it apart. Here's the inside of it. So, where can we start? Oh wow, he uses striping. Okay, so give me a minute. Now for the earpiece. Alright, there. I'll plug that. And it's off. Now let's disconnect the battery. Alright, unplug. Now let's unplug everything from the board. Let's actually take the Face ID off. Alright, there we go. Oh, it's actually glued down. Oh, great. So let's take the old battery out. See if we are successful. Oh yeah, this one feels... Oh, come on. Well, it's breaking off. That's not good. So I think I need to force it out once again. This is not going well at all. Yeah, I need to force it out once again. So So let's just remove the board first, then we remove the battery. But first, how do I take this off? Oh, it's actually not unplugged. Yeah, the battery needs to go first. Oh, great. So how am I gonna get that off? Yeah, let's just take the board out before I do anything to it. Here's the camera. Yeah, this is really hard, not gonna lie. Now to take the rest of the screws out. Alright, let's take the SIM tray off. And should be coming off now. Yeah. Alright. And I think the board should come off now. Look at that. There we go. Here's the board. Alright, it should be easier to remove the battery now, so let's see. Let's see if Face ID comes out. Oh no. This does not feel good, like at all. Alright, finally. Here's the Face ID. Looks pretty good. Put that aside. Let's see if the bottom one works. Yeah, I don't have high hopes. Look at how it's separating. Oh wow, that is so brittle. Oh man, it broke. Let's try again. Yeah, look at how dry it looks. And it broke off. Great. Well, only option is to force it out now. So, let's do this. It's definitely getting out. Ooh, the charging cord is a hump. Good news. Let's just make it as gentle as possible, because I do need to reuse this battery. Alright, and it's out. Here's the battery. Now I need to remove the wireless charging coil. Should be. Yeah, I got no idea how do I do that. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe let's start from here. Yeah, I think I need to make a hole somehow. Oh. Yeah, I need to get more glass out. Alright, it should come off now. Does it? Oh yeah, there we go. Nice and simple now. There we go. Now we should be able to just take this sticker off and unscrew. Alright. It's off now. We don't need the old housing anymore. So let's prepare a new one, I mean. So let's just forcefully destroy this old one. Since we don't need it anymore, so why not? Now we can just cut it, I guess. Maybe through here. Alright, here's the old coil. Get that off. Now we can install a new one. So let's put some glue. Alright there. Now let's remove the old part. There we go. There we go. Now we can glue that down. And yeah, it's ready for a new board now. Let's put the board back in. Take off a SIM tray. Let me be careful with this part. Alright. There. Now I can screw it back in. Oh, I just realized I trapped a cable. So let's undo that. Yeah, not gonna lie, it's really fragile. Alright, there. Now let's connect everything back up. Alright there. Now let's put the SIM tray back in. Oh wait, put it at the wrong spot. Alright, there we go. Should be able to slide in like that. And look at that, it's done. So let's install the front camera. Should probably clean out first. Alright, let's put it back on. Another part of the antenna got stuck. Well, let's take that screw off. Damn. Alright there. Perfect. Now I can screw it back in. Look at that. Now I can finally install the bracket for it. Perfect. Now let's put the Face ID back on. stick that in, and yeah, it's ready for a new battery now. So let's plug the new screen and test it out. I'm gonna use the battery that came with the new housing first, so let's plug it in and see if it works. I'm using a new screen as well. There we go. Let's see if it works. Hopefully it does. Wow, that's not good. No Apple logo. Oh, maybe it's dead. So let's let it charge. Alright, so it turned on. Screen looks good. There's barely any yellowing actually. The battery is actually at 89%. Look at that. And yeah, the screen looks pretty good, not gonna lie. With True Tone. There's barely any yellowing at the sides, so pretty great actually. Oh, battery not recognized. Look at that. It's not complaining about the screen actually. That's kinda nice. So yeah, let's proceed. While waiting for it to charge, I prepared the old battery, so yeah, it's ready to install now. Let's test out Face ID. Oh, that's not good. Oh wait, it needs a proximity sensor, so let's just test out back camera. That's not good, is it? Let me break the rear camera. Oh no, I broke the rear camera. Alright, good news. I just didn't plug it in correctly. Look at that. It works now. So let's proceed. Oh. Alright, let's proceed with repairing it. Okay, good. Now let's disconnect the battery. God damn, my fat fingers. Now let's unplug the display. And yeah, let's transfer proximity sensor. So 3 screws. Wait, 4 actually. Maybe that's 3. Never mind, there's one shriving for some reason. Right there. It's coming off pretty easy. Now we need to remove that. Remove the mic. Yeah, it's not easy at all. Take the mic off. This bracket too. God damn, it's so stuck. No clue why. Try get this out. Oh, there we go. Alright, got it out. Hope I didn't break anything. That's not a good sign, is it? Yeah, let's just hope. Now let's install it onto the new screen. That I need the bracket. Yeah, you know what? Good enough. Now let's finally put the speaker back on. Oh shit. I just lost the screw up. I'm glad I bought a pair of screws for my other iPhone, so hope this fits. God damn. Oh man, it's too long. Yeah, another one. Nope, too big. What about this tiny one? Oh yeah, perfect fit. Alright, we're almost done. Alright, success. So let's test it out once again. I actually need to take the picture of the other battery so that I can saw it off. So let's get connected with the proximity sensor this time. Hope Face ID works. I swear to God, if it doesn't. Alright. New battery. This worked. Good sign. There we go. Alright. I think the battery died. Oh yeah, it works. So let me take a picture of the battery health real quick, and then let's complete this one. Alright, all done. Let's finish it off. Goddamn fat fingers. Get that off. Alright, give it a clean. And we're ready to install a battery. Perfect. Let's finally get the screen installed. Wait, I should probably put the seal on first. God damn it. Alright. Let's put the seal on. I got one here. If I mess this up, I have another one, so put that on. Alright, finally got a seal on. My phone died actually, but yeah, I installed it off camera. But look at how crap it is. Yeah, I really hate them now. I'm not gonna lie. Got to really force it down because it wouldn't align well with the phone. So yeah, I have to really force it down so that it will stick on it. Alright, I think I'm good. Oh, one side left. And oh, come on. Right, we're good. So let's finally install the display, and then we're finally done with it. Alright, so my phone actually ran out of storage, so I'm using my 6S to record now. But yeah, I finally got it figured out, and I installed the other bracket, so let's finally close it up and we're done. turn it on. Put the SIM tray back on. Look at that. Let's also put the button screws back on. And look at that. It's done. So, pass coin. Yeah, it works pretty nicely. Parts are basically original. Yeah, 79 health. Actually, let's turn that on. Face ID works. So yeah, it's basically a working phone now. Let's test out the sound. Yep, working nicely. So it's basically a working phone now. Test out a touchscreen. Works great. Camera works great too. Look at that. So yeah, working nicely. Let's try charging it. Yep, works too. So I got a working XR now. Oh wait. Yeah, look at that. I got a working XR now. Flashlight works too. So we're done here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.